at least he was comfortable outside this weekend, Carrie.
Yeah, we had some great weather, and it continues into today as we still see some clouds hanging around parts of the Bay Area. Like San Francisco, you just can't shake those clouds over the Golden Gate Bridge, and you'll see them throughout the day. It is now 68 degrees there in the North Bay, 70 degrees, feeling comfortable all across the Bay Area. As we start out this new week, it will be 72 degrees today in the East Bay, San Francisco 69 degrees, North Bay 80 degrees, and with those temperatures cool on the East Bay as you head to the Tri-Valley, it heats up to 87 degrees, and the South Bay will be topping out at 78 degrees. Let me take you hour by hour in San Jose. By 1 o'clock, it's at 77 degrees and continues to warm up just a couple of more degrees from there, and a mixture of sun and clouds. The clouds roll back in this evening, and we drop back into the lower 60s, so expect those temperatures to be cool. Now, we've been tracking all of the wildfires going on around the Bay Area, and across the North Bay, the Rocky Fire continues. It's the large fire, but we also have the smaller Jerusalem fire just to the south of there. And right now, the temperatures are at 82 degrees, the humidity at 36%, and winds coming out of the east that may shift to the west. So we've had a shift in the winds the past couple of days and continues to pick up. Now, as we go through the lunchtime hour, winds will be at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Stays breezy, but bringing in that onshore flow that keeps our temperatures down. So that's definitely great news for the rest of the Bay Area. But when it comes to those crews trying to get those wildfires under control, well, the winds are just a little bit too gusty. And we still see those clouds in San Francisco through 2 o'clock. This is what the fog could look like across the Bay Area. Still along the coast, if you're at Half Moon Bay or anywhere like Point Reyes, you're still seeing those clouds, and it will stay throughout the afternoon and then continues to move across the rest of the Bay Area by the overnight hours into the day tomorrow. We still start out with our normal pattern of morning clouds and then afternoon sunshine. So temperatures are cooler than where we should be for the beginning of August. And this is all because of an area of low pressure sitting just offshore. It brings in a strong ocean breeze and keeps our natural air conditioning in place. Now, as we get a look at what's happening out there in the Pacific, we're still tracking Hurricane Hilda as it moves closer to the big island of Hawaii. And we see it there over the next couple of days. It looks to move right over Hawaii, but it does weaken to just a tropical depression, something we'll be watching as we go through the week. A look at our 3-day forecast. It will be a slight warming trend over the next couple of days. In the peninsula, though, we'll see the highs today reaching 81 degrees up to 78 degrees on Wednesday. Mostly sunny skies for the next few days. No major changes in these temperatures. Tri-Valley going from 87 degrees today to 86 degrees on Wednesday. And it will be nice until the weekend when it starts to heat up all around the Bay. I'll update you on that, and we'll take another look at the microclimate forecast coming up a little bit later. I'll send it back to you, Scott and Chris.